This is the basket and container collection from Pronto Seeds. This is what I picked up from the Amazon team. I cannot wait. I'm really excited to get my garden in order for 2026. Let's open it up and take a look and see what seeds you get in there. I didn't really look, to be honest with you. I do find that my baskets and containers are a little bit lacking. I tend to focus on things like vegetables, but let's take a look and see what we got in here. So if containers and baskets is not quite for you, definitely take a look at this thing because you'll find something you like. So in the box there, we've got 3 little packets. We've got the basket and window boxes with 475 seeds in there. You've got lobelia, petunia, verbena, busy lizzy, pansies and nasturtiums, one of my favourites. And there is a sowing guide on the back there telling you when to sow them and things like that. So if you're like me, you can't always remember these things, then it does give that information. But then we've got the contact patio planter. This has got a viola, stock, sweet pea, marigolds, asilium and godetia, which I'm not familiar with that one, so that's going to be interesting. And again, on the back, it's got the full planting guide there and all the instructions you're going to need, which is really awesome. And then we've got the pollinator pots. Again, going to be really, really good. If you are into growing fruits and veggies like me, you're really going to need your pollinators. We've got the cosmos, cornflower, calendula, lavender, foxgloves, and rose rock. And again, I've not grown that myself, so that's really interesting. And just like the others, you've got your full growing guide on there. Just notice on the bottom there is a best before date, and as the time of purchase, I've got 2 years to grow, which is good because I may not get all these done in one season. And just for curiosity's sake, let's open a packet up and see what the packets themselves look like. Oh, I've just noticed there is a QR code there. Maybe if you scan that, you'll get a growing guide. And inside, just some really simple packaging. I like the fact that they're clear because I do have this little bit of anxiety about me tipping them out and then going everywhere and obviously not being able to pick them up. So I quite like that fact that they're in clear packaging. But there you go, that's how they look. Fabulous stuff. I think this is going to be a really good amount to grow as well. Pronto Seeds do a ton of other things as well. So if this is not the right one for you, as I say, find another one. You're going to find something that suits you. I might pick up the sunflowers as well. But yeah, I'm really excited to plant in these and good luck in the garden.